Ow! ZZ, are you okay? ZZ?
Today you'll see some of the worst things Spunky Train faced. Not the dark green electric locomotive, just like Veneria, but a steam locomotive. Call it a moss green, which acts a bit more like a diesel locomotive. And yes, they're good for hauling things.
Just like me?
Yeah, you're right, CON, but we're going to mostly focus on Rhea in this video. As you saw in the beginning, Rhea faced an engine blowout due to a condition called diesel engine runaway. This happens due to a broken seal which allows oil or hydraulic fluid to go into the combustion chamber of the engine, thus providing a second source of fuel. And now the engine runs uncontrollably, revving until it hits max speed, and in the worst situations, engine blowout.